Transform your documents from static forms into intelligent, adaptable experiences with Docusign Dynamic Documents. Today, we're diving into the power of Docusign Dynamic Documents, a cutting-edge feature that personalizes your document workflow like never before. Forget one-size-fits-all. These documents adapt content based on recipient input or predefined conditions, truly automating complex processes and elevating your document strategy. Let's get started first. You'll need a Docusign account and a document template within your Docusign envelope. Navigate to the Advanced or Custom Settings section here. You'll find the option to enable conditional fields or dynamic content. Select a field you want to make dynamic a circumflex euros. This could be text, a checkbox, or even a signature field in the Fields Properties panel. You'll see options to set conditions. For example, you can make a section of text appear only if a recipient answers yes to a specific question. This is where the magic happens. You can define if-then rules. For instance, if the recipient selects option A from a dropdown, a specific clause will automatically appear. You can chain these conditions together for sophisticated logic. Imagine a quote document where the pricing details change based on the customer's industry, or a contract that presents different clauses depending on the service level chosen. This personalization significantly enhances the recipient's signing experience and ensures accuracy. To implement these dynamic rules, you'll set up the logic directly within the Docusign template editor. You can test these conditions to ensure they function as intended before sending out your document. This saves time, reduces errors, and creates a seamless, intelligent workflow. By mastering Docusign Dynamic Documents, you're not just sending documents. You're engaging with your recipients, automating complex decision-making, and unlocking a new level of efficiency in your business. Start exploring this powerful feature today and experience intelligent automation firsthand.